All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. We're asked to find 2 raised to the power 18 minus 1 without calculator. Okay, so this is very simple to calculate. I'm going to have 2 raised to the power 18 is simple as saying 2 raised to the power 9. Okay, then all square, because 9 times 2 will give us 18 minus 1 can be written as 1 squared. Okay, now if you remember that this is difference of 2 squares, so it have that 2 raised to the power 9 minus 1, okay, into 2 raised to the power 9 plus 1. Okay, so this is 2 raised to the power 9 will give you 512, if you can remember. So this is 512 minus 1 into 512 plus 1. Okay, so 512 minus 1 will give you 511. Okay, multiplied by 513. Okay, 513. Now, having this, the next thing you do is to use this and multiply this may take your time. So let us split it into 500. So I can say 500 plus 11 multiplied by 500 plus 13. Okay, so this time this will simply give you 250000. Okay, plus this time this will give you 65, right? 6500 plus this time this will give you 5500 plus this time this will give you 11. So I'm going to have 1 3, so 4, so 143, right? So 1 3, then 1 plus this will give you 4, so 143. So if you add everything together, you're going to have 262143. Okay, so that is that. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.